You've been lied to about LED therapy, not by everyone, but by enough people selling you overpriced devices that do nothing. I'm Dr. Lightman, and I've spent years studying one thing: how light actually changes your skin at the cellular level. Red light at 630 to 670 nanometers, it doesn't just glow, it triggers ATP production in your mitochondria, real energy, real repair. Blue light at 415 nanometers, it doesn't just calm acne, it kills Propionibacterium acnes, the bacteria causing your breakouts. Near infrared at 850 to 940 nanometers, it penetrates 4 to 5 centimeters deep. It activates fibroblasts. It rebuilds collagen from the inside, hair regrowth, skin rejuvenation, acne clearing, scar reduction. These aren't promises, they're outcomes. But here's the problem: one wrong wavelength, one wrong intensity, one wrong protocol, and your $300 LED mask becomes an expensive nightlight. That's where I come in. I don't sell you devices. I teach you how to use them. I don't give you hope. I give you protocols. I don't do mysticism. I do photobiomodulation. Every video on this channel answers one question: what does the science actually say, and how do I apply it? No fluff, no sponsored lies, no guessing. I'm Dr. Lightman. And if you're tired of skincare that doesn't work, welcome to the only place where light doesn't just hit your skin, it transforms it from the inside out.